Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a magical tutorial that's going to bring the enchantment of Disney right to your Samsung Smart TV. Ready to learn how to install Disney Plus? Let's get started. Before we dive into the installation process, let's talk about what Disney Plus can bring to your Samsung Smart TV. Imagine having instant access to your favorite Disney movies, Pixar animations, Marvel adventures, and Star Wars sagas, all in one place. Get ready to immerse yourself in the magic. All right, let's make the magic happen. I'll guide you through each step of installing Disney Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Step 1. Power up your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. A strong connection ensures seamless streaming of your beloved Disney content. Step 2. Using your remote, find and open the App Store or Smart Hub on your TV. This is where the magic takes center stage. Step 3. Locate the Disney Plus app using the search function. Once you spot it, click on Install. The app will start downloading in a blink. Congratulations! You've successfully added Disney Plus to your Samsung Smart TV. And there you have it. Your Samsung Smart TV is now your gateway to Disney's magical realm with Disney Plus. Get ready for endless adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support keeps us inspired. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your Disney Plus journey, and until next time, may your days be as magical as your streaming. Stay connected with us by hitting that subscribe button and following us on social media. More enchanting content is coming your way. Please note that app availability may vary based on your region and TV model. Be sure to check your Samsung Smart TV's compatibility before installation.